So dear friends, while using your phone, if you want to see your tabs, if you click somewhere else on your phone screen, if you want to see the tabs icon, then follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. Okay? First, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down a little bit. And now look at the last option, about phone. Just click here. Again, scroll down a little bit. Now select the last second option, software information. Now you see an option, build number. So you gotta click 7 times on this build number, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the system is asking me to enter my screen lock password. After entering your screen lock password, now go back. Again, go back. And now see at the bottom of the page, you see an option, developer options, okay? So click here. Now scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down. Now look at this. Under this input section, here is an option, show tabs, okay? By default, this option will be turned off on your phone, so you just gotta turn it on, just like this. And now you'll see your screen touch tabs, like this one, okay? Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your problem, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.